Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the KENSEN brand, the rechargeable electric rotary razor for shaving your face. It's waterproof for wet or dry use. It has an active LED display including extra replacement blades. I've never seen that before. And these are the good blades. They're totally removable quite easily for cleaning them out if you had to. Spring loaded on there and totally flex blades. There's two blade sets on there, that's why there's two rings, and they're self-sharpening. So as you use this, they hone themselves in on that and they actually stay very sharp. It includes the charging cable USB-A to a custom mount on there, a little cleaning brush, and a cover for travel if you want to protect it, and the shaver itself, and a really nice box if you want to keep it in this box. So this is really stylish looking. I love the fact that there's no trimmer on here. It's just all dedicated to shaving. Really nice. So it's really simple. You just charge it right there. We're going to show, and then you just turn this on by hitting that button, and it gives you the percentage that is left, and we'll show you how to charge it also. And that's basically it. You open this up, and it has a really large volume in there, and that's important. A lot of these less expensive shavers don't have a volume in there, so they fill up really fast. This is not going to fill up. It's going to take you about a month of shaving to actually fill that up. And you can see the heads are totally floating on here, which is what you want, so that when you're shaving you get movement. And then this also flexes also right here to help you when you're shaving. Now this goes about 9,000 RPM, really quiet. If you listen, I'll turn it on again. And I'm right by the microphone. So it's not really loud at all, so that you don't have to worry about it. This is totally waterproof, IPX6, as I mentioned, and what that means is that you don't have to worry about water splashing on it. You can rinse it out and you can shave wet or dry. The company does provide a full 1-year warranty on this product, and if you look at the Amazon, it gets really good ratings. And I love the way it looks, integrated display in there, and you notice the shape of it. So it's really got a really good hand feel to it because it's not going to move around. And notice the way they did this, the angle of my hand there, I'm not going to be touching this button as I use it. On some other shavers, they don't think that out, and then you accidentally shut it off as you're shaving. So this will last, with a 90-minute charge, this will last a full 90 minutes, like I mentioned, and that's a really long time. So you'll probably be using this every day and charging it once every 3 weeks or so. Really nice. And again, this is the only company I've ever heard of that gives you a full set of new blades in the head and that 1-year warranty. Very good value. And the unit comes with an instruction booklet in multiple languages. So let's show you how to charge this. We're going to take the included USB-A port right there, and we're going to plug it into a 1 amp or greater simple USB-A charger. And then you have this end right here, which is mated to the plug, and it only goes in one way, just like that. You plug it in, and then you get a display right there. It starts giving you a percentage of the charging. Really nice. It gives you a little symbol there. This also tells you when it's time to clean after you use it, and it knows by the number of times or the minutes that it's actually been used. Really nice. And another thing I like about the shaver, it has a lock function. So you turn the shaver on and hold this button down, and you see now it's in the lock mode. And now if you hit it accidentally, you're traveling, it won't come on. And then you hold it down and it gives you a little timer, and now it comes on ready for normal use. Really simple design. I took the guard off on here so you can see what the blade looks like. So this is the self-sharpening function that goes against that piece right there, the mesh. And here's a close-up of the actual blade. You can see it has 2 cutters on there that are rotating, and that's what really is giving you a nice close shave. So I'm going to give it a try now, the KENSEN shaver, and I'm looking at my monitor. So it's a little awkward. It's normally looking to a mirror. It's like your hair shaving. You hear the hairs coming off. There's no tugging, which is nice. Works under the neck. And again, it's got that really nice grip, so you don't accidentally turn it off. Okay, and we did a good job. I'm all smooth. My wife's gonna really like that. So after testing, what do I think about the KENSEN brand, the rechargeable electric rotary shaver? Really good value. The price point of this is amazing, and with that extra complete headset right there, I've never seen that before. This is a great product. It worked as I demonstrated. Quiet, large capacity for your hair, and you really don't want to get one of these. The price point is amazing on this. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be an ordering link in the information section of this video review. Please use that link when you order this product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.